I'm going to my spot and taking my pic, but I just wanted to show you guys this is how it turned out.
Alright, so I actually decided to do vlogging during quarantine. So, I'm in Whole Foods, and in Whole Foods, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Oh, I guess I have to show you guys afterwards, but my scarf is not doing the sexy scarf thing that I wanted to do, so I have to actually, hold on. I didn't plan a vlog, that's why. So that's how I do my scarf. Okay, so I definitely wanted to do that. I'm basically trying to get back healthy because I feel like my spirit has not been healthy like I want it to be, you know? Like, I'm a normally healthy being, but I just haven't been super healthy like I want to be. I'm looking at the sports protein section.
I also been wanting a salt lamp, a Himalayan lamp. I'm sure they're more expensive here. If I get desperate again, I will order it from what's that one place called? But I definitely been needing some incense. My spirit has. But I also don't want to buy no incense from these other places. No offense. I'm still what's that word? You know, kind of cheap, I guess. So that's that.
We got a lot of lip balm. But I think I'm good on lip balm, so that makes it, ooh, yeah, I like this. So that makes it okay. But yeah. I heard Gaia is a good brand, but they have an online market, so I think that I might also get some flowers. Because I feel like flowers is best here, right now at least. But they don't have like the clearance section of flowers that I like or prefer. There's also these, I'm gonna get some mimosas. My brother and my sister are like somewhere, but I can't find them. There was this drink I want to try. They also have nuts, but I'm not gonna get any nuts. But my sister, she comes here and get this type of. Oh, you guys, what do you guys think about Gaia's pizza? I'm just not personally gonna spend $10 on a pizza, but I also hope they have the. Oh, they do. Okay, and these are not bad because they're only $2.69. I'm only gonna get maybe one. I got some salmon. I got some red bananas. I got some baby bananas, and I got some type of random citrus that I really want to try. But because I'm not full vegan, but I definitely predominantly vegan. You know what I'm saying? Huh? She's vlogging. Do you guys want to be my vlog?
And I can feel her right next to me right now.
Featuring Gabriel. Oh, you're using your GPS. Okay, I'll be back.
What are you doing?
Gabe, did you enjoy Whole Foods?
What?
Did you enjoy Whole Foods?
You said it was fun.
So petty.
You told me it was fun. I guess you don't want to be on your video saying that.
Forget it. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. I'm going to show you the vlog. Deja got some cool stuff too, so I'm going to show her stuff so the whole vlog can look more full. I got to try things. Alright, so. This should be good. Hey guys, welcome. I'm doing a. Hold on. I'm doing a Run My Mom's Light Bill Up series. I'm just kidding. Alright, real quick. So what I got. These are like TBF, okay? So you guys, I remember when I used to say that on my blog. It's my old Fearless Junk Queen blog post. But yeah, I like these. They're vegan. They're samosas. Okay, and then I got me some salmon. I only spent $6.29 for 2 pieces, which is good because I normally only get like 1 piece and it's like $3. So these are pretty, nice spots. And I got some baby bananas because I wanted to, talk about the documentary of Dr. Sebi's, which I'm calling. So these are the bananas that he says is the most appropriate and least mucus causing, okay? He is big on no mucus. I am big on minimum mucus, okay? Because it helps, moisturize your throat and help, stop the blockages before sicknesses creep up on you, okay? And then this is a purple sweet potato, which I'm about to make now. So I'm gonna make this a cooking vlog as well. I'm cooking collard greens, my own personal collard greens. So I put the oven on 400. I didn't wash my hands, but don't judge me. I'm gonna do it in a minute because we gotta wash these, with a certain something. Okay, and then I got some cheese. I'm gonna spend $2.80 This is like really good for like grilled cheeses, she said, and like regular, you know, cheese and crackers, etc., etc. So if I had some nuts, it would be even better, but I don't have any nuts. And I got this citrus. I said I was gonna remember what it was called, but I forgot. But it's like this orange. Huh? Is it on the sticker? No. Oh, sumo citrus. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. And just plus I wanted some different hand pictures. I'm gonna call this my elderly orange. And then I had a red banana because I want to try this. I'm gonna do like a little taste test with these two on my Instagram story. I'm gonna tell you guys my total, and then this is some water I've been wanting to try. It's alkaline, so that's what I've been needing. It got electrolytes, and the pH is 8.1. But I definitely love strawberry, and I think rose is pretty good. I don't think that's gonna fit in there. Well, look, because mine has to fit as well.
It's okay. This is why I have a mini fridge.
Is that gonna fit up there?
I'm gonna make it.
Okay. So that's that. And that's this. Okay. So I'm cooking some collards tonight, red sweet potato, and some hot water cornbread. So I'll chat with you guys soon. See you in the next vlog, or see you in the next clip of the vlog. Jollof rice. Like snickerdoodle. Kale and collards. Red, ooh. Red rice. And then plantains. And I'm making hot water cornbread.